Alright, so this morning we're gonna look at the prints I did overnight. Over here there's a Psylocke in 10 scale. Over here we have a base on M7Max in 6 scale for Rey from Star Wars printing, and real first print on new M7Max. Let's see, 6 scale Rey printed here. Everything seems fine, and I would like to say to the M7Max that first overall print that I did, like a test print and stuff, failed, and what I had to do actually was readjust the fab. I had to sand a build plate a little bit, because no matter what I did, it wouldn't stick to the build plate, it stuck to the fab. And there were two problems with it. There was basically a very loose fab, and thankfully I had replacements, and the build plate was way too smooth. Even though it's laser etched, it still was smooth. So I used I believe it was 220 grit sandpaper, and just ran it a little bit across, not a whole lot, just to get that black fine finish a little bit off. And now, as you can see, everything sticks perfectly fine. So yeah, all right. So that's about it. If you have any questions regarding M7Max, or over here I have the Premium or Max, M7Max, M7Max, feel free. All right.